All right, guys, just a quick little video. One of you requested this on the live show when we were talking live, and one of you said you should try smoked grilled cheese. And I'm like, that's like smoked deviled eggs. When we did that, that was crazy, delicious. So I got excited about that. It was stupid. It's just grilled cheese on the smoker, but I've done frozen pizza on the smoker. I've done deviled eggs. So we're going to make some grilled cheese sandwiches here. We're going to put it on a smoker mat, and we're going to take it out to the smoker, and we're going to smoke it. And we're going to test it out, okay? I'm still thinking, do I want to grill press it and give it a finish at the end? I'm still debating on that. So we'll see what happens. So let's get this buttered and cheesed. Come on in close, and I'll show you the simple ingredients, and then we'll get this thing started. I would love to meet the person who invented this. That person probably invented tomato soup too, because nothing's better than grilled cheese and tomato soup. So we've got bread, cheese, and butter, and that's it. So you guys ready to get it started? Let's do this. So the key to making a grilled cheese is put the butter on the bread, and then flip it. You'll put the butter will be on the outside, okay? And then we're gonna make a few of those, okay? Got some pepper jack cheese going, got some Colby going. We're gonna do 2 different cheeses on the sandwiches, okay? So let's do that first. Let's put a little bit of butter on here. Each sandwich has butter on it. Each sandwich has 4 slices of cheese, 2 Colby, 2 pepper jack. Beautiful. Let's take it outside right now. We just realized we don't even need a temperature set on this. We just put it on high smoke. We're gonna leave it for about 20 minutes so it gets saturated into the sandwiches. Tammy went to go get them right now. We're gonna pop them on right at the moment. It's smoking kind of good right now. It smells delicious. I'm just dying to taste this on the sandwiches. There we go. Okay guys, we just brought the sandwiches in. We're now gonna we can go on high flame if we want, because this is the carbon steel. So we're gonna use this pan to finish off the sandwiches. Now remember, you guys, there's already butter on the bread. It's kind of soaked into the bread. As you can see, we're gonna put probably 2 sandwiches at a time and finish these off and press them down. The cheese is somewhat melted from the smoker. Let's get that on there. You can hear the pan's hot. Put our other sandwich down. Yeah, give it a little press down. Yep, perfect. And then give it a good press. Another good press on the other one. All right, guys, this is a smoked grilled cheese sandwich. Look how much cheese is in there. Is that beautiful? Beautiful and thick. Let's give that a try right now. All right, to be honest, you guys are insane. You'll put anything on a smoker, so I have to try it. What a great idea, guys. Okay, either I'm starving or this is really good. You got to try it. I would go with like a fruit flavor, like an apple or a cherry, something like that. Even maple would be good with this. This is delicious. Well, here's my lunch. I love you guys, and I will see you on the next episode. Take care. Bye-bye.